Hello everyone, my name is VJ and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to set up a CKA lab so you can practice your questions easily. So let's get started. So this is my GitHub where you can get the repo, and what you need to do is you need to copy this repo from here, and we go to the playground now and open the CKA playground. Let's wait for a moment. So now finally CKA Killercoda has started. What we need to do, we need to clone the repo first. So git clone. Now you can see there is a folder called CKA Prep 25 v2. And what we're going to do is we go into this folder. Now we're going to see what it has got it. So it has got 17 questions, as you can see. And these 17 questions, you have to run the script to enable each question. Right. So if you go back to my repo, there is a readme, and in the readme file you will see I have given this command to run. So for example, if you want to run any question, so I'll give example here. So go back to the lab just here. So what we need to do, we are already in this folder. Now I'm gonna paste it. Now I would like to show you the question which is which has got the file inside it. So say network policy, I'm not sure it has or not, but I know that horizontal pod auto scaling has a prerequisite lab. So let's go to, just delete this, and what I'll do is copy paste this. So copy paste is easier. Copy paste, copy and paste it here. Now I'm gonna run this. So it's gonna set up a lab for you, which you can practice, without spending time to set up, the environment. So just, well, it took a bit of time, but as you can see, horizontal pod autoscaler has got now namespace, it's got the deployment, it has got the services. So if you want to check it, it has got it not. So I'll come back to the root and I will say, okay, get namespace. You can see there's a namespace called autoscale. Now you can say get deploy in namespace called autoscale. Is it correct? Yeah, you can see there's one deployment. Get service autoscale. As you can see, there's one service as well. So now you got the idea like how to set up the lab. So if you want to set up another question, for example, so cd CKA, if you want to set up another question, I'll take another example, and say this one, because I know this also need to download a file to perform this task. So if I go back to the question which I just ran, where's the command? Oh, come on, this one. So if I just replace this with another question, so what it's going to do is going to download CRI Docker image. So there you go. Now you can check this here, and you can see this is CRI Docker. So I hope this helps, but if you have any question around this, I'm happy to answer. Otherwise, please subscribe and like my video. I will try to make more videos, and I will share all the details about this repo in the description and a YouTube. So thank you so much again, and all the best.